Jaguar is giving the F-Type line a refresh for 2018 and adding 2 new variants. All new F-Types feature LED headlights and slightly darker taillights. Every model except the SVR also gets updated front bumpers. The most noticeable change is the side vents, which morph from the double slots to single openings in most cases. The F-Type car's large side vents are bisected horizontally. Jaguar is in half-batted interiors, and the F-Type has a good-looking cabin. It's as high quality as you'd hope for from a Jaguar, and more interesting to behold than that of the old XK, because the dashboard is angled towards the driver. It has a cocooning, cockpit-like feel, while standard leather trim means every surface you touch is soft and luxurious. It does lack the modernity of cars such as the Porsche 911 and Mercedes GT. There are only 2 seats, but they're both comfortable and supportive. Even if the passenger will feel a little shut out with the heavily angled dash, they might have to carry the driver's luggage too because the boot is tiny. Worse still if you opt for a spare wheel. An old E-Type is probably more practical if you want the same style, but with extra boot space. The F-Type Coupe raises luggage capacity from 196 to 315 liters. The F-Type is brilliant to drive. V8 models feel a little heavier about the nose than the V6s, but all have unusual levels of sideways adjustability, sliding about like a hooligan for a big, muscular sports car, and the more powerful models in particular have the very real option of right-foot influenced steering. If you have the skills to cope with it, the steering itself is quick and loaded with feel, a typical Jaguar high point. Less of a high point is the ride quality, which varies between firm and spine compressing depending on who you believe the chassis can cope, and there are different driving options letting you pick firmer or softer setups, so at least you can tailor it to your local roads. 3 engines are available in the F, and each is a highlight in itself. The entry-level supercharged V6 could be all the car you need, with 5 seconds 0-60 performance and a 160 miles per hour top speed. The hairy-chested V6S adds more power and noise, and the V8S is a proper British muscle car, with all the cacophonic sounds and smoky tires that entails. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive videos.